Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Then let's go to App Manager, and here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're using frequently, and remove cache. Cache are basically junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and they are occupying the memory, which means that after removing them, we will release some of it. So as I said, let's enter the app. For example, the calendar, then go to storage, and here we've got the cache, but unfortunately I do not have cache saved here, so let me try to maybe find something here. Nope. Maybe Chrome, because I just wanted to show you. Okay, so here we've got the cache, and all we have to do is to simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove the cache. And obviously it is not the biggest amount of data for a specific app. However, if we'll sum up all of them, then it will be quite a lot of memory. I do not recommend tapping on clear data unless you wish to make your app completely brand new. So as I said, go through all of those apps. And after that, I highly recommend to simply restart your device. So just press the power button and volume up button together once. And here you've got the option swipe to restart, and then your device will restart itself. And thanks to it, it will confirm all of the changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.